Multi-channel. So this is trend 3, and we'll move through this one pretty quickly. Creating a unified set of communications is something that everyone's striving for, and it is uniquely challenging in healthcare. There's a lot of silos. Data is definitely stuck in those silos. It's hard to create a very unified, a very intentional journey for your members that comes from a central source of truth. It's one of the biggest obstacles we see with our clients. But a multi-channel approach really allows you to meet members where they are and provide that seamless and accessible relationship that really delivers on consumer centricity. So when we think about channel mix, there are a few different ways to approach this. You can go with stated preferences. So this is what your members tell you they want you to communicate through. There's demonstrated preferences, which is what they're actually interacting with, right? So I might tell you email is my preferred channel, but that might be because I want it to be able to just pile up for a month so I can delete it all at the same time. That doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to interact with it, right? But if you have interaction history for those members and you can see that every time you send them something in print or every time you reach out to them through Live Agent, they're actually doing something, that can be a very powerful tool. In the absence of any preferences, just taking a waterfall approach can be powerful. Start with your lowest cost channel, start funneling through, and you can ramp up your channel expense as you get to those non-responders and you really want to try harder. You can also just go with proven channel and results, which sometimes can be case specific, right? So if you're targeting a particular campaign, look at the campaign year over year and see what your most effective channels were and who they were effective with. And those results can be a powerful way to really refine your approach.